Good morning, plumbers. Guess who's here today? CB2. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today's plumbing adventure, we have a Moen shower to trim out. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Follow this journey as I train my two sons. The plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. See you there.
Where are we going?
Straight.
In here?
Yeah, come on. Okay. Come on. Don't break nothing. Oh, look what he did. Look at here. He went black. I like it. Somebody right there.
Look high. There.
Ah.
I got a pair over here.
Here, pop this one.
Taped together, so.
Oh, awesome.
Them it broke a few times. You alright?
Yeah, they'll work when I need them. Thank you.
Yeah, Mom was cracking the whip on me to get it done.
Oh, listen, we know the deal. I want to know when the big renovation is going to happen.
Yeah, I know.
We're on standby, Chuck.
Never stop.
I know.
Never stop.
You know that. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, I didn't have a hole saw for that tile, so I had to cut it. Chunk it out of it.
That looks good. At least you grouted it.
Yeah.
Number one spot for a leak right there.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. I'll put some caulk around it if it looks like it might leak.
Okay.
Yeah, nice little fire in Longport, huh? Today?
Yeah.
The boats.
Yep. I actually went by there and
It was on the news.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
I went by there at what time was that? Oh, the trim screws chunk.
Where was it at?
Right there by CB2 Marriott restaurant. Luciano's or something?
Oh, in there? Isn't that technically EHT?
Technically EHT, yeah.
Down by where the police station is? Is that what you're talking
No, over the bridge.
Over the bridge?
Yeah, Seaview Harbor.
Oh, it's EHT.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, over in Seaview Harbor there?
Yeah.
Did I cut that hole out wrong?
Nope. I eat light. Is there a light above us?
I don't want to hear the light. If I don't light it, I'm throwing my phone.
No, don't worry about it.
There's a light back there. There's a switch, I think. Isn't it?
There we go. Starting to sweat.
Yeah. Were you here when they stole this guy's car next door?
No. Recently?
Yeah.
When?
I
Cold
It was, I guess either Friday or Saturday. He came out, in the morning his car's gone.
Did you lock our truck, Charlie?
We did?
Did you lock our truck?
Well, what they did, they go down and this was at 9 o'clock at night. They got them on camera from the high rise. They were going ransacking any car that was unlocked. They got this guy's car.
He had a key.
he had his keys, but he forgot. He carried a spare in his box, glove box, and they found the key, took it. And they were joyriding all up in Venice Park for a day and a half. And it's all banged up. The insurance company was there looking at it. All the sides are all smashed up.
Hey, what's a little fun?
They caught him. Atlantic City caught him up there riding around. Whoop.
Works.
Water's on. You want me to turn it off or?
Nah, we're good, Chuck.
Alright, cover.
Where's the set screw, Chuck?
These out.
Allen wrenches.
Sure you don't want it off?
I know, I'm going to. We'll play with a little fire right now, Chuck. There's the one drop that screwed down the drain.
Oh yeah.
We don't want to do that today. Things are going too good today.
We're due.
You know. I'm gonna need a pipe car, Chuck.
Got it in my hand.
Awesome. Tell her I'll call her back, Chuck.
We'll call you back.
Coffee.
Oh, awesome.
You take the lid off, don't you? When you drink?
That's all right. No,
Oh, no? Okay. Well, I'm gonna-
appreciate it.
Okay.
See?
You're
Good
supposed to
service.
go on. Thank you.
Bottoms up. All right.
Here's this if you need it.
How about the Eagles yesterday, Chuck? Super Bowl!
I gave 4.5 when that guy returned a fumble for the last play and won.
Get out, really?
A lot of my friends bet that.
Yeah. Do you have another handheld? Or you gonna go with the same one, Chuck?
What's that?
Handheld.
Yeah, let's go leave it there.
Okay. That's what I mean. You have another one. I'll put it on for you if you want.
Nah.
All right.
Just snap over them.
Go. Just the one we needed at,
Yeah, other job.
yep, and they didn't make it brushed nickel. Oh no, we needed a twist on, thread it.
But I
Pardon me?
save the shower head.
Yeah. Chuck, you want the shower head?
What's that?
Put that aside.
Uh,
You can use it somewhere else if you want.
Put all the curtains down. This is just for the grandkids.
I know, I knew, because there was a rod up here before.
Yeah.
You cleaned it all up?
Yeah.
I got you, all right. How old is this
What's that?
the bathroom itself? Is that original?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the ceiling's all ripped out and all up there. It's plumbing for the other top.
That's it, Charlie. Big job today. There we go. All right, Chucky.
Alright. All done, huh?
That's it. What time is renovation on January 2nd?
Yeah.
Don't give her no ideas, right?
No, no.
She don't need
No, she's already got like these.
Let's give this a test. Boom. Here's his glasses, Chunky.
Huh?
All right, boys and girls. This is my old captain, Chuck.
That probably was one.
You know? All right, let the grandkids come. It's ready. Let's do this.
I don't know, one of my juniors is coming over tomorrow and make cookies.
Uh-oh.
Junior's kid.
Chocolate chip cookies?
Huh? I don't know.
It's all you.
Oh, well, film.
Did we get her done?
Yeah, we are done.
Did we get her done?
That was a quick one.
What we got?
World record, I think.
What we got?
I think someone's satisfied. I'm not sure who though.
And there goes another satisfied customer. See you at the next one.